So let's go, bro. Stefan. Triumph BMW S1000. Oh my god, nice jacket, bro. Nice jacket, bro. Cocktail rides featuring Steve, the number 97. So, where do we go, bro? Huh? These guys are freaking fast and I'm the slowest. Chalo. Never mind. Huh? Huh? Okay. Don't go too fast, okay? What is up, guys? It's your boy Cocktail Rides. I'm back again with another freaking video for you guys. So today it's another beautiful day to go out riding, and I'm out riding with my friend Stefan. And Stefan is one of the Speed Legends member. Cops, police checking. Stefan is one of the Speed Legends group member. If you are a rider from Shillong, you'd know Speed Legends. That guy's cruising speed is 120 and my cruising speed is 70. Damn, boy. And I can't even corner. I'm using stock tires, so I don't trust my tires. Don't mind me being slow. Just watch this video and show some love. Oh my god, bro. That guy, look, he's super relaxed, man. I'm stressing my bike like shit. And look, no hander. Yo, bro, wait for me. Hey, where's my friend at? I thought he's here. Where's my freaking friend? Oh, there he is. Don't leave me like that, bro. Hey, what are you ha? Hey, what are you ha? What are you ha? What are you ha? Nhìn vào ski đấy. Ôi. Piang tên em tan rư. Piang tu. Ah. Nya bike teng nak bagi Speed Legends lah. Yang itu Slow Legends lah. Ngah tiang ni agni tayar. Sama mana? Lamborghini. Max pass na. Chal. Chal. Agay. So we're going to Nong Po. I don't know what we're doing in Nong Po, but we're going to Nong Po. It's a beautiful day. We'll just go and ride. And when we reach Nong Po, I don't know what will we be doing. I'm super scared and excited also, man. Oh, I'm just going at a normal pace now, so the bike doesn't slide me over to the corner. Shimlan ru dang noob. Let's go. Let's race with the Lambo. Hi, Lambo shall be pass. And the game is starting. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, boy. Shana. Oh. Okay, so we reached to this one place where they say they'll go. Hana those will be the last, will be the den. So let's go, bro. Stefan. So we're going off. We are heading off to back to Omyam. So we're waiting for them riders here outside this Excellencia restaurant. Chal. This guy is about to go racing. I won't be talking, I'll concentrate on the road. Don't mind me. I cannot chase them. Fully skilled riders. Triumph BMW S1000. Abang nak sabi kita gidali. Super bikes, bro. Bam. Oh my god. Cocktail is left behind. Got smoked. Those guys are way ahead of us. We got smoked, bro. Okay guys, we're heading home, so see you guys on the next video. Peace out, cocktail ride, see ya.